KNO continues its public evolution, 77 days of experimenting. Yesterday, KNO closed in the noise zone, no major adaptation. Here are KNO's modules, each with its own strategy, capital, and parameters. KNO ended the day in neutral territory. $0 across 0 signals. Market noise dominated. KNO observes and silently adjusts its thresholds. Today's breakout, our bot Epicurus. Plus $4, win rate of 31% on the session. On the other side, our bot macro collapses to minus $12. KNO reallocates its attention toward our bot Epicurus.
Per module breakdown. Each bot is embodied hypothesis. First, our bot Epicurus, Épicurien philosophie et dining philosophie coordination, Ataraxia en moderate setup performed at plus $4.24 over 520 trad, win rate 31 pers. Second, our bot The Fish, fishing for small catch, tiny position size, high selectivity suffred at $-0.30 over 38 trad, win rate 32 pers. Third, our bot Hydra, multi-head signal ensemble, one TZ per market regime suffred at $-0.53 over 151 trad, win rate 49 pers. Fourth, our bot The Turtle, Cosio Turtle rare entry, long hold suffred at $-7.70 over 1 trad, win rate 0 pers. Finally, our bot Macro, swing trading on multi-time frame confirmed macro signal suffred at $-11.76 over 41 trad, win rate 51 pers. Strategy diversity sur laboratory KNO observe which one generate a persisted and reallocate capital accordingly.
No significant trade today. That is also a result. The absence of action proves the filters are respected. KNO doesn't force the market. Patience is a strategy in itself. How KNO decides in depth. Layer 1, entry filters. Minimum 3 out of 5 signals confluence, momentum, volume, price structure, on-chain signals, and social sentiment. Minimum liquidity $25,000 in the pool, otherwise slippage kills the edge. Momentum window 5 to 15 minutes, long enough to confirm, short enough not to miss the move. Layer 2, position management. Fixed sizing at 1% of capital per trade. Strict stop loss at -5%. Tiered take profits. 25% at +10, 25% at +25, the rest left to run with a trailing stop. Layer 3, learning. Each trade is logged with its full context. No discretionary decisions. Everything is coded, measured, and reviewed every week.
The arc of the last 7 days. Out of cette log session, KNO close at plus $0.00 cumulative $. 0 green days, 7 red days. Neutral trend KNO is oscillating around 0. This is the territory where we verify if selectivity pay off against fee. Every episode is a data point on the curve. And the curve is what matters. KNO overestimated low volume breakout. Tomorrow it will favor high conviction setup. The risk to watch tomorrow. First risk, fake breakout in low volume. The crypto market chantrave KNO must validate liquidity before every entry. Second risk, hidden correlation between module. If all our bot trade the same coin at the same time, we lose diversification. Third risk, execution latency. On meme coin, a few seconds can turn a winning trade into a losing one. KNO measure exit to confirmation latency every day. Project stat. The detailed plan for episode 78. First, overnight recalibration of threshold based on today's result marginal adjustment, no brutal pivot. Second, macro under strict surveillance. If loss continue, technical pause for deep analysis. Third, testing timing hypothesis, entering 30 seconds early on very high conviction setup, to capture the slope before the confirmed breakout. Risk, false signal. Reward, better entry price. Fourth, intermodule correlation monitoring a goal, 0 coin traded simultaneously by more than 2 bot. Open question for you, if you were to add a fifth filter to KNOS entry layer, what would you propose? Comment below. The best idea will be tested in episode 79. En expériment powered by KNO Innovation. AI Consulting and Innovation for Ambitious Company. What hypothesis should KNO test tomorrow? Comment? Subscribe to follow ETS Daily Evolution. Thank you for showing up. This experiment wouldn't make sense without you. See you tomorrow, we keep learning together.